Hello students, I am here once again for another book review. So this is sample question papers for CBSE class 12 published by Oswal Gurukul. Okay. This is for the science stream, PCB, physics, chemistry, biology. Now in this book you will have sample papers of English core, physical education, computer science, physics, chemistry and biology. And this is strictly for your 2024 examination. Now this book is as per the latest board syllabus. There are complete solutions inside and unsolved papers are also there for your practice. Now new sample question paper released by CBSE on 31st March 2023 is given fully solved, so you can take help from that. And let's start with the review. Now let's first see, this circular is already given there from CBSE, so you need not go anywhere else. Every information is here. Now see the contents. If we see English core, there the sample question paper 1 is given. Then you have sample paper 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and sample paper 7 is unsolved. So there is one unsolved and so many solved papers. Then for physical education there are 3 papers. Computer science there are 5 papers. Physics there are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 papers. For chemistry also there are so many papers. For biology, now the best part is you can scan this QR code to get the answers of the unsolved papers as well. So you won't have to go anywhere else if you don't find a particular answer. Okay. So for each subject, first they have given you the blueprint of the whole sample question paper. Okay. Then they have given you the sample question papers. Now, see carefully, the answers are also along with the questions. Okay, so you practice very well at that point itself. You don't have to turn pages and see the answers. So this is how they have given for English. Let's see for other subjects. Now if we see for physical education, okay, see here, this is sample paper 9 that I have opened. QR code is given. Okay, questions along with the answers and the explanation of answers is also there. Okay, so you don't have to worry ki answer kaise aaya. The explanation is also given here. Okay, for multiple choice questions and everything the explanation is given. Now if you see the biology papers, okay, all the types of questions are covered in the sample papers. The diagram based questions, fill in the blanks, match the columns, everything is given along with the detailed explanation. So overall an amazing book to buy. Also you can prepare your chapters and test your preparation with oswal.io. Okay, you can create your own test papers in just 2 minutes. Just pick up the chapters that you have practiced or prepared, then create the test, pick the timer, write the equations using editor and get the result on your email. Right? So overall an amazing book to buy. I'll give you the link in the description box. See you till then. Bye bye students.